Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 AACA Fall Meet in Hershey, PA. We're checking out this 56 Continental Mark II. What is remarkable about this car, it is supercharged. It is just beautiful. Now the Supercharger, as you're going to see under the hood, was added by the dealer and there's full documentation on it. This is lovely, just lovely. Now this is a non-air conditioned car. It's ordered in Arkansas. Look at that beautiful interior. Would you mind if I open the door? Thank you. These doors are so heavy. Look at the fit and finish here. This is what the Continental Mark II was all about. These cars were hand built. You can see the vacuum gauge up there. What a terrible installation. I am sorry, but it is so exciting to see that. You can see the nameplate down there on the transmission hump. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. I love the two-tone green leather. And Dave, I know you're going to respond to this one. Is that magnificent or what? They are just so gorgeous. Wait till it focuses. There we go. Let's see if I get a better shot. The sun is not with me at this point, unfortunately so. Now, they were actually planning a four-door version of it, but it never came about because they were losing money and they just couldn't do it enough. Look at the lines on this car. Pure classic. Pure classic. That's Supercharger. Supercharger. Gee. Now, what's the story behind the Supercharger on this? Was it?
This car was ordered for a guy that owned a radio station down in Arkansas.
Uh-huh.
And when he brought it into when Lincoln got it into the dealer, that was a dealer install.
Uh-huh.
It was a high performance upgrade that the dealer put on.
That is amazing.
This is the only one that we own.
Wow. Now the high capacity ignition, is that standard?
No.
Okay. That is.
It's done by Mallory, and I've got all the documentation on it too.
Okay, was that also dealer installed?
Yeah.
Okay. To handle the I gotta get out of the sunlight. To handle the added boost?
I think so, yeah.
What other modifications did the dealer put on?
I think that's all. They just put the Supercharger on it, and that was it.
That is amazing.
And the odd thing about this car is you don't have air conditioning.
Why is that odd? That was the only option on the car.
I don't know. He ordered it without air.
Now, what is this all about, Lee Doc?
That's Mr. Lee. That's the guy that ordered the car.
Oh, okay.
This right here is the scope of a gun.
Uh-huh.
The crosshairs. He invented that.
Ah, okay.
That was what he was known for.
Gotcha.
So this car was ordered for him.
Uh-huh.
And here's his radio station on the plate. He owned a radio station.
Oh, that is brilliant. That is brilliant.
And I've got all the documentation on the car inside.
This is fantastic. Now, I also noticed, is that bump out done by the dealer?
Yes.
Okay.
The dealer had? Oh, no kidding.
What's intriguing?
This wasn't built, this wasn't plug and play.
I like the way how the
did.
dealer didn't really finish under the hood.
Nope.
And he did the same to the other side for the air cleaner.
No, that was all factory.
That's factory, okay.
Yep.
Wow. That is too cool. Too cool.
At least he did get it sort of like the other one.
That's how you make more room.
Yeah. cut it, turn the piece around.
Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 AACA Fall Meet in Hershey, PA. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.